Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to read the board quickly in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. Open Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, tap level to start your game. The first thing you want to know is the layers. Tiles are stacked on the top of each other. Only the tiles that are not covered by others can be tapped. So focus your eyes on the tiles that looks fully visible. To read the board quickly, look at the tiles that are free on the left or right edge. A tile is free when nothing is touching its left side or right side. These tiles should be your main target because they are the easiest to match instantly. Now scan the board by colors or shapes. Most tiles have bright, simple patterns, flowers, numbers or symbols. Your eyes will naturally catch matching colors faster than reading each tile individually. So instead of reading every tile, look for matching colors first, then check if the symbol match. To avoid blocking yourself, always clear tiles from the top layer first. This opens up more hidden tiles and makes the board easier to read. Think of it like peeling layers of an onion. Remove the top layer, reveals the next one. One area with many tiles stacked together, focus there. Clearing packed areas first give you more free tiles to match later. The goal is to open the board as wide as possible. And that's it. That's how you read the board quickly in Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.